What's up, y'all? It's your girl Cass. I talk all about DIY budget-friendly content creation to enhance your brand, business, or just create better content in general. And today, guys, we're doing something kind of fun. We're creating an album cover shoot. Ooh. For this shoot, you guys, I decided to go with an RGB lighting album cover. Definitely check out my video all about lighting if you want to see different types of lighting techniques, including how I achieve RGB. But for this, I have two soft boxes. Each of those soft boxes have two hue bulbs in them, Philips hue bulbs. And so I turned one softbox red, one softbox blue. I use my black backdrop. I'll link that information below on where I get that from. But I use my black backdrop in order to light this shoot. And then I also, once again, played around with the full crystal filter from Cinepox. If you guys saw my Valentine's Day video, I used that for the video, so I also wanted to try playing around with it in photos, so that was really fun. I just put that full crystal lens in my full crystal filter in my lens on my camera. Of course, I shot with my Canon 70D Sigma 18-200 millimeter lens, you guys, and I really like the vibe that it was giving. It was giving like this really, I don't know, it felt very like The Weeknd-y. When I went into editing, put all the photos into Lightroom. I did my pretty standard edit. If you guys want to see specifics on that, you can go to how I edit my photos video. Pretty much did the same thing. I don't think I did anything different than what I showed you guys in that video. But to do the album cover, you guys, I just added my name, title of the album, and then I went and found like the parental advisory thing. I feel like that signifies it's an album, and that's how I put it on there. I just use Photoshop. Of course, you guys can use different phone apps or things. Pretty cool. I actually just added a new album cover feature, so you can use that as well. But that is how you guys can create your own DIY album cover shoot. Yeah, so it's lots of fun, you guys. I'm trying to do these new like 5-minute photo shoots, like just quick shoots that are fun, that I think of and just attempt. So that was really fun to do. Hope you guys enjoyed. I'm out.